I refuse to deal with people who are not winners. And you need to be ruthless about that. There needs to be ruthless personal accountability on both sides at the same time too. So you cover all, possible negatives that would go wrong. Then you just celebrate all the stuff that is going right. And in a lot of cases, this isn't very clearly seen. You have to celebrate behavior sometimes because your people, much like mine, much like myself, like if the chips are down, you need to sit there and be able to say, like, okay, this was tough, but you still acted in good accordance. Your behavior was good. You didn't avoid anything. We just lost the game today. And that's totally okay. We can rebound and come back from this stronger if we learn where we could have been better in some way, shape, and form. But fucking good on you for the effort that you put in and what you dealt with. And many people wouldn't have been able to do that. And that's what A players do. And I'm really fucking proud of you, if that makes sense, right? As a consequence of that, people are like, oh man, like this is like I didn't win, but I'm like I didn't win the game. I did what was necessary, and I'm still getting rewarded in some way, shape, and form. And it makes them want to do more. It makes them want to try harder. It makes them want to keep showing up on all the days where things do get tough and do get hard for them, and it is meaningful for them at the same time as well. And on meaningful, when their clients, so like, if it's an account manager, when their clients have got great results, it's like really celebrate that great result as a win, right? Because like that, they had a huge part to play in that, and they should know that the effort they're putting on a daily basis is actually meaningful towards something. But even more for your sales guys, right? Like they close someone, they need to know that the people that they've closed are winning, because that helps create an energy inside them where they go out into the prospecting world and say, hey, the guys that I closed are winning. And there's a direct connection between me speaking to prospect and prospect signing up and winning in the program or in the service or in the marketing agency, whatever it might be. And as a consequence of me speaking to you, I have evidence of people I've spoken to in the past who are winning right now. Pay me money. I will make sure you get the results, and I can fucking prove it. Here are the 88 reasons as to why that's the case, if that makes sense, right? This is where celebrating on those things and showing internally what's going on in delivery, and then externally what's happening behavior-wise, all sort of stuff too, makes such a huge difference. People love it. It'll keep the glue together. It'll keep people working hard, and they will rise up to the occasion more often than not than you'll probably think, as a consequence of the core concept of good behavior being the standard creates great results, because you can train and upskill on anything outside that for most things anyway, right? That's what it takes. That's what it takes to build $1 million team and keep the glue together. Last year we did 1.2, I think, what was I said? Yeah, 1.2. This year we're shooting for 3. We have the team to do it. We're onboarding more people now. We have clients that we're working with that are in this exact frame right now too. I've got a great guy named Zach Boont, who we're working with, who has a similar team to this. It is everything except the closer right now. Currently $70,000 a month. They started with $12,000 per month. They started in predictable sales. We helped them build everything out here. They have inbound lead flow galore. They have everything to actually bring all this together. They now have a setter on board. We're currently getting them up to an average of 8 clients per month. That will get them to the 250 grand by the end of the year in 2024 this year. And sorry, 250 grand per month, that is. And I'm helping them build out a leadership structure and holding their team accountable inside team stuff and building $1 million leadership. So the higher level stuff that we work with on. And you can do the same, right? You just need to pick which path you want to take. If you're still wanting to get 50 grand, do predictable sales. If you're wanting to become a $1 million leader, come and chat with us about that at the same time as well. But you need to commit to being that leader. This is how you do it, and this is how you get to choose whatever path you want to take.